The mysterious hole between the clouds scared people. The video went viral on social media. Washington, the 5th of June 2024. A mysterious hole was seen between the clouds in the sky of the American state of Vermont, the video of which caused panic on social media. According to foreign media reports, the weather situation in the United States, the National Weather Service reported an unusual hole in the sky above Chaplin Valley in Burlington, Vermont. This type of cloud typically forms when the water temperature in the cloud is below freezing, but the water does not freeze, the National Weather Service said on X. The NWS said that this particular cloud hole was likely caused by an aircraft. The NWS added that when an aircraft passes close to a cloud, the air around its wings and body is formed. The air expands and cools, and then they turn into water droplets, which turn into small pieces of ice.